Log in with your Google account. Once you've logged on to the console, you can define which applications you want to manage. By clicking the public app, you will have access to the Google Play Store. Search for the application that you want to manage and click on it to add it to your managed store. You can also add private applications. Just provide a title and an APK file. You can add web applications. It will be pushed on your device as an application, but in fact it's displayed into the browser. You can choose the way it will be shown and define an icon. You can see all your managed applications, public, private, and web apps. You can now create a profile. A profile corresponds to a use case. You can have as many profiles as there are use cases. You can define the way you want to give access to the Play Store. If you want to limit the available applications, click on the Restricted Play Store checkbox. If you do not click this checkbox, all Google Play Store will be available by default on the device. Select the applications that you want to push on the device. You can define the configuration of the application. Let's say, for example, that you want to force the incognito mode in Google Chrome. You can also define the permissions and choose to grant or not some access on the device. You can define the way you want to install the application. If you choose blocked, the user cannot install this application. For example, if you want to block Facebook. Available means that the application is available on the Play Store and the user must install it manually. Pre-installed means that the application is already installed on the device. Force installed, the user cannot remove the application. You can enable the kiosk mode in one click. You have access to a various set of policies that you can enable or not. It will be automatically applied to your devices. On the Configuration tab, you can enable geolocalization, a security challenge, or configure the Wi-Fi networks. You can then generate a QR code in one click to onboard your devices on this profile. Do not forget to click the Save button. On the device list, you can see all the devices that have been enrolled. You have a global view of your device information, geolocalization if it's enabled, and many advanced information such as software, hardware, and device settings. You can have a look of all the applications on the device. You can also choose to change the profile of this device. You have access to a various list of actions such as lock, wipe, screen off, reboot, or reset the password in one click. On the geolocalization map, you can visualize all your devices. In the configuration menu, you can define your Wi-Fi networks or add devices users. Do not forget that you have access to the Help Center if you need any help or if you want to read our documentation.